Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I woke up with no power this morning. I'm almost slightly inconvenienced. I was talking to a neighbor guy from upstairs and he's like, oh man, it's terrible. You can't cook. You can't do anything without power. And I'm like getting my stove together and getting my stuff, you know, I'm going to make some breakfast out here on my cook stove. I'm like, yeah, it's terrible. Just awful. No power. What are you going to do? Oh wait, make breakfast on a stove. No problem at all. I mean, honestly, the biggest inconvenience is no internet, but, you know, mainly because I can't check your comments, but, you know, it's not like it's going to be out forever, but I was thinking as I was setting up, you know, it's really sad how just dependent we are on electricity. Like, when the power's out, people freak. You know, because they gotta have electricity. They gotta have power. They can't cook. They can't do anything. We actually had one year we had this really bad windstorm and the power was knocked out on a lot of places. And you know, people were running their generators inside their homes, inside the house. It's like, you know, naturally they died of carbon monoxide poisoning. Like, just because they didn't have electricity. Another person decided to light a fire in their stove. Yeah, it didn't end well for them either, so. I mean, you can go get generators and all this other stuff, but, you know, what's wrong with just roughing it? It's morning right now. It's about, let's take a look. Yeah, it's 7:49 a.m. So I'm not really worried about, I have firewood in here, so I could go and make a fire easy, or in my home. Not even a problem. But, yeah. No problems at all. Yeah, I've got plenty of camping foods, you know, in my room. I probably gotta. Are you curious to see how many weeks I could go without having to buy groceries? Probably at least a good couple, maybe a good couple weeks. I mean, I still have to do my work and everything, but of course a couple weeks really isn't. I could probably go longer than a couple weeks actually, because I'm not even thinking about what's in the kitchen. I stock up on ramen. I've got a bunch of camping food. I've got a few MREs. So Nice hot cup of brew. I'm getting my all-time favorite camping food on. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you already know what that is. If you're a new subscriber, or you just happen to randomly check the video, hawk vittles, hash browns, sausage, and eggs. Delicious. I hit the spot on a, it's kind of a cold morning, kind of a chilly morning. Doing a cup of mocha. It's a 3-in-1 coffee mixed with sugar-free hot chocolate. Cheers. Delicious. Start my day with a hot drink and a hot meal. I just love these hawk vittles. I know some people don't like them, but I think they're great. I'm currently running the the stove that the MI Woodsman gave me. You got a Trangia burner. Fiddles. Give this a jump start. I always like to cook this a little bit before I kill the heat. Just sort of give it a kick in the butt. There we go. Basically, just bring it to a boil, give it a couple minutes, and then I'll kill the heat. Probably not been a couple minutes, but probably enough for now. There we go. It's actually kind of funny. There's a guy just on the other side of the fence here. He's picking up dead fallen limbs, probably to make fire. Well, it's been raining, so they're wet, and I mean, yeah, they're down and they're dead, but they're probably not dry at all. That's kind of funny. Maybe look at the fence. So we have a little, this is basically the view off my back porch. It's, we got an apartment complex, like right next to me. We have a stand of pine trees going all the way across. So I heard some sticks cracking. And I was stirring my meal, and I look over, and here's this guy. Sorry. Here's this guy, picking up limbs off the ground. Well, we get this fire going now. I could make a fire, but there's really no need to, because you know, it's not really that cold, and I could just throw a layer on if I needed to. So, yeah, good times. Man, the milk is hitting the spot. Warming all the way down. Good stuff. It'd be funny as soon as I'm done with breakfast, the power comes on. I'm wearing the Phoenix headband because it's a little dark inside the inside my place. I have a lantern, but you know, I basically go in, get what I need, you know, turn it on. Bedroom's a little dark because the sun comes up over here, but the windows are over there, or that way. So it's kind of dark. Plus I have these, you know, 1 foot window, and they're about like that. You know, they're taller, but they're not as wide, so it doesn't let a whole lot of light in. Damn, I love that combo. Alright, let's have a look at how breakfast is looking. Might be a bit too soon, but it's got just a little bit of water at the bottom. Well, I can live with that though. I'm actually pretty hungry. Well, two things. One, hot. Two, damn, that's good. God, I love this meal. I don't know what it is about this one, but I really like it. Decided to combat the heat with a little Monster Energy. Yes, I know they're not good for you, but I don't care. They are delicious. Oh yeah. Oh, looks like I'm getting a text. Wow, that's hot. Totally Fernbarked it.